does a Dyson hairdryer sell for $399? Why is the price difference so large for the same high-speed hairdryer? Hi everyone, I'm Paris. In this episode, the challenger of Dyson hairdryer is this ND001 from Nandme. So, how much difference is there in performance between the two? Let's follow my lens and take a look. This is the ND001 from Nandme. Whoa, I really didn't expect it to have such a craftsmanship. Whether it's great, the material, and the color, it gives me a sense of luxury. This is a pearl white color, and there's also a deep space gray. The overall weight is only 438 grams, and the balance in the hand is very good, without the feeling of top-heavy. The weight of Dyson is 560 grams, and the volume is also larger than ND001. For me, I feel very tired after holding it for a few minutes. The shell of ND001 is made of that skin-friendly material, and the buttons are very delicate. This is the power button, wind speed level, temperature level. All buttons can be operated and controlled with one hand, while the wind speed and temperature buttons of Dyson are designed on the top, requiring two hands to operate. The filter net and styling nozzle at the bottom are both magnetically designed. In addition, ND001 comes with a magnetic storage rack. The back is 3M glue. You can stick it to the wall to store the main unit and accessories all together. Okay, let's turn it on. The wind is so large. The ND001 is equipped with a 110,000 turn brushless motor inside, which can provide a maximum wind speed of 60 meters per second. It has 3 wind speeds. The noise of Nandme can be controlled to 71 dB at its lowest, and Dyson's noise is 72 dB. In terms of temperature level, it has 5 temperatures. Natural wind at room temperature, low temperature at 57 degrees, medium temperature at 88 degrees, high temperature at 100 degrees, and cold and hot circulating wind. You can adjust it according to your preference. Okay, next I use the two machines to blow my hair separately and share the usage experience with you at the same time. First, it is ND001. The first feeling when I hold it in my hand is that the weight is moderate, and it is not difficult to raise my hand to blow my hair. The grip feeling is good. Since my hair is thick and difficult to dry, I'm now using the highest temperature and wind speed. Although it is the highest temperature gear, I don't feel very hot when I actually use it. The super strong wind can blow directly to my hair roots. I can clearly feel that it is using high-speed airflow to dry my hair, rather than baking my hair with high temperature. Next, I adjust it to another cold and hot circulating mode. Cold and hot circulating wind can not only quickly dry hair, but also play a role in styling when paired with a comb. You can also adjust to natural wind, and the wind speed and temperature can be adjusted according to your personal preference. To operate when blowing hair, you can switch it with one hand. In addition, ND001 is equipped with a 2 billion active ion generator, which can smooth the hair and reduce the static electricity caused by freeze. Finally, it takes 3 minutes and 38 seconds for Nandme to dry my hair. But the wind performance of Dyson is very strong as expected. Dyson has more styling accessories than Nandme. In addition to the styling nozzle that is also equipped, Dyson also has a fly-away nozzle, which can prevent hair from flying away while combing and blowing hair, and a soft wind nozzle through the diffusion of airflow to protect the scalp. There is also a smooth wind nozzle which is similar to the styling nozzle, and I feel that the difference is not very big. Finally, it takes 4 minutes and 36 seconds for Dyson to dry my hair. Now let's compare the performance of the two hair dryers. The drying time is similar and both result in smooth and non-frizzy hair. However, Dyson's hair appears more adherent thanks to its anti-flyaway styling nozzle design. Nevertheless, Dyson is considerably more expensive than Nandme. In conclusion, after comprehensive use, I believe that ND001 is not inferior to the Dyson hairdryer in terms of prices and performance. The essence of hairdryer is to dry hair quickly. While Dyson hairdryer is excellent, the ND001 is more affordable. For the first-time buyers of high-speed hairdryers, the ND001 offers better values. The effect is impressive and it is worth trying. I also suggest ND001 can enhance its competitiveness by introducing more styling accessories like Dyson does, of course with reasonable prices. Well, the video concludes here. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. I will update the latest products for enjoyment. Bye!